Welcome to the Swissvax Detailing Centre here in Fallenden, Switzerland.
My name is Pascal Seiler.
My name is Pascal Seiler, and today we're going to show you the new Swissvax Discovery Kit with Blau-Weiss Wax. The kit includes a car bath 100ml, a cleaner fluid regular 100ml, a Blau-Weiss Wax 50ml and Lotos Speed 250ml. To show you the kit, we have here the new BMW M2 Competition coupe. We always recommend removal of any watches, rings, etc. that could cause damage. It is very important to use the correct wash technique for cleaning your vehicle. We will start from the top, i.e. the roof, working our way down through the midsection to the lower sections of the vehicle. To do this, we use a 2-bucket method, which we will touch on later. Our car bath formulation is specifically designed to help the wax after application on each wash technique. You only need 1 capful per 25ml of wash solution. If you already use the 2-bucket method, that's great. If you don't, that's not a problem. The 2-bucket method is simply 1 bucket of rinse water, which is clean, and the other bucket is filled with car bath, which is your wash solution. It's very important to pre-rinse the vehicle. This removes any debris that has adhered to the paintwork, such as insects, bird droppings, tree sap, etc. It prepares the paintwork for the hand wash technique, which removes the ingrained dirt on the vehicle. Here we are using one of Swissvax's wash poodles. These are super soft and will not scratch the vehicle's bodywork. Place the wash poodle in the wash solution and wash the body panel which needs to be washed. After washing that panel, rinse the wash poodle in the rinse water. Place the wash poodle in the wash solution. Simply repeat the process starting from top to bottom, but making sure you rinse the wash poodle each time you've washed a panel. The final rinse is the last important stage of the wash technique. Give the vehicle a good thorough rinse, which will enable you to dry the vehicle without the worry of any particles being left on the bodywork, which could potentially damage the vehicle's paint. Included in the kit is 100ml of Swissvax Cleaner Fluid Regular. Cleaner Fluid Regular is a pre-wax oil with no abrasives, so it will not damage your vehicle bodywork. It is essential that the bodywork is treated with Cleaner Fluid Regular prior to the wax application. To use Swissvax Cleaner Fluid Regular, simply place a small amount on the Cleaner Fluid applicator, squeeze together, and using a horizontal and vertical motion, apply the cleaner fluid onto the bodywork. You do not need to use a lot of pressure to enable the cleaner fluid to work as it should. With the microfluffy, simply buff the body panel to remove the cleaner fluid, applying a little pressure but not too much. The Blau-Weiss Wax is specifically formulated for the BMW paint system. Containing 40% of Brazilian Grade 1 carnauba, it will give excellent durability and gloss. There are 2 ways you can apply the Blau-Weiss Wax. The first is simply by the applicator, by rubbing it in the jar and applying directly onto the bodywork. The second is to scrape a small amount of wax out of the jar with your hand, manipulating the wax in your hand to generate heat, and then directly transferring the wax onto the bodywork via your hands. The benefit of our waxes is they will not mark plastics or rubber, and they are incredibly easy to apply and remove. These luxuriously soft polishing towels were made of a high pile microfiber material. They were specially developed for us here in Switzerland. They are double-sided and highly absorbent. Simply keep turning the microfluffy and continue to buff the body panel. A very minimal effort is needed to use this product. It can also be washed in 60 degrees, but remember, no fabric softener. Here we can see, simply using water, the benefits this BMW now has after being waxed. Water simply runs off the bodywork, leaving a streak-free finish. What you will get if you place the vehicle outside is that the heat from the sun will actually help the gloss enhance more, because the oils in the wax soak further into the bodywork and the gloss will deepen. Swissvax Lotos Speed is an incredible product. It is a sealant and quick detailer all in one handy bottle. Great for quick detailing at shows, etc. Simply spray Lotos Speed onto the microfluffy and buff the bodywork with the microfluffy. It's that simple to use and the results are fantastic. Swissvax Lotos Speed can last for up to 3 months, depending on weather conditions, whether your car's a daily driver or your wash technique. One of the great benefits with Lotos Speed is that you can use it on bodywork, plastic, glass. It will not leave any white residue on any form of plastic, even your wheels. It is very important that Lotos Speed is not applied in direct sunlight. If you have direct sunlight, please apply the Lotos Speed when the bodywork has cooled down. And here you have it. The BMW M2 Competition looks absolutely fantastic. It now has protection for up to 6 months with a Blau-Weiss Wax, with the additional benefit of you can top up the wax whenever you feel. Don't worry if you don't have a BMW. Our Discovery Kit can be purchased with any 50 millilitres of wax. So we have Onyx, Mirage, Concorso, Zuffenhausen, Scuderia, to name a few. Thanks for watching and see you soon.